Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Marisa Tambo, 41 years old, widow, and one child. I'm a college level, 2 years course of computer secretary. I also have worked in Taiwan and here in the Philippines. I work as a domestic helper, taking care of the baby, children, ironing, washing the car, and cooking.
Good day to you, Miss Marisa. How are you today?
I'm fine, ma'am, sir.
What are the advantages of the employer if they will hire you?
Ma'am, the advantages to hire me is I'm honest, hardworking, and obedient.
So what made you decide to work abroad again?
I decided to go abroad, ma'am, because I want to give the future of my daughter and to earn money.
And then, do you know how to take care of the children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the proper way in taking care of the children?
In proper taking care of children is giving their food, giving their medicine, taking a bath, and sometimes teach them by playing and teach how to some tutor of the children.
And then what if you committed the mistakes and the employer calls you? What will you do?
I ask forgiveness to sir and madam, and I may not do it again.
And then what is your last message to your future employer if they will hire you?
Sir, madam, choose me as a domestic helper to serve you in 2 years, and I will promise that.
Thank you, Miss Marisa. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir, madam.